Good morning, friends. Welcome in Gopinathji Mahila College. My name is Professor Ajay Dodia. Today we learn and knew about our syllabus. Become semester 3, subject business communications. According to me, and I think this subject is very easy and a scoring subject. As I tell you, first started with Unit 1. Unit 1 is trade references and status inquiry. So some kinds inquiry about status, about details, you asking bank and another sector. So there is only write a letter to bank and other sectors. So very easy Unit 1, and you know you learn only the constructions of letter. I think so. The first letter asking for credit information from banks. The first letter is to ask bank about credit and also debit and many other subjects, but letter is similar and business firms. Then the second thing is letters giving favorable opinion. So according to your point of view, you give you opinion. Opinion means in Gujarati mat. Tamara mat mujab. Next, giving unfavorable opinion. When asking a bank and other firms asking about some product, some asking about credit balance, debit balance, some details inquiry about balance sheet, about the product details, product selling. So many kinds of asking questions by the bank, by the other sectors. So you give your opinion favorable and unfavorable. So this is a good thing about a letter writing, giving mixed opinion. Mixed opinion you give also, and then the letters are granting credit. And then the last things is the resulting credit, refusing credit. Refused means cancel. Cancellations about credit. So this kinds of letter, partly granting credit, partly. So some kinds, as you know, some credit in your bank. So very simple, just a letter writing is a Unit 1. So according to me, this subject is full of marks getting by you. Unit number 2. A comprehension of unseen passage, listening. So here is a listening words is important for you. Listening is a receiver's activity in oral communication. In a communication is better things is a listening, as the speaker has the responsibility to make an effort to be understood. So the listener has the responsibility to be attentive and to make effort to understand the meaning of the speaker. Of all skill of communication, listening is the most important of all. As you know, I repeat, all skill of communication, listening is the most important of all skill. So listening is very powerful, and the importance of act, and you have a most importantly weapon is a listening. If you stop listening, you miss the many kind of businesses. So here given two parts, comprehensions of unseen passage, listening. Second things, listening and importance of listening. As you know, how many importance of listening in our personal view. Profile of an effective listener. Second things, and advantage and limitations. As you know, advantage એટલે લાભ and limitations એટલે મર્યાદાઓ of listening. Guidance for effective listenings and importance of the silence in the communications. So sometimes you become silent for the communication. So listening is very important chapter and very easy chapter for you. Now the 4 question in this chapter we will discussing in a deeply from the next lecture. But unit 2 is, I think so, very simple listening, and it's some kinds of its types, and listening profile of an effective listener's advantage and disadvantage, advantage and limitations. So listening is an important points of for communications. Unit number 3, press reports. Press reports is a very important things, and you write very easily, like writing a statement. As you know, first characteristics of a press report. तो press report ना लक्षणों. तो write very simply, and I will teach you very deeply કે how many types of characteristics of the press report. Press report માં કેવા કેવા characteristics હોવા જોઈએ. When you understand English or Gujarati, then you write. So I think first characteristics of a press report was very important and very easy, I think so. Press report based on accident and natural calamities. Now you write and you believe that, and you think, suppose you are a press reporter and now one incident's becoming on your eyes. Now the based on accident, so some accidents you think you are present on the accident, and the natural calamities like as a serious train accident near Kanpur, several clashes, 15 kills, 130 injured, one case of accidents. So there is different types of situations, and you write very properly, as you see in the news channel. As you see in the news channel, you teach from there. Second things, business related press reports. Now the second things is different from the press report. First, announcing new business. When you announcing a new business, the starting point is important for the everyone and every kind of business. Next things are business mergers. So when you do business closer and you merge, when તમે કોઈ business close કરો છો કે બે business ને merge કરો છો, તો this is very important things to write a very statement and press report given to the people. And second is announcing a franchisee and dealerships. તો કોઈ પણ વસ્તુની તમે franchisee લ્યો છો, when you taken to a franchisee and other things, you product one things, but you get a franchisee or dealerships from the another company or another party, from you accepted that. So this is a very things only you write some differently. So unit 3 is very easy. 2 chapters in this, press reports and business related press reports. So 2 different things we will learn in a next lecture. Unit 4, friends. Unit 4 is very important. I like most, and I think so you like most also, because the first group communication. Communication is most important things for any kind of business and your life. Without communications you are fail in any positions. So first, meetings. So meetings and communication with all the people. So every time you get some meetings and types of meetings, different types of meetings, and advantage and disadvantage of meetings. Preparations for the meetings, preparations for the responsibilities. As you are a manager, you are a chief executive, you are of the company. So very important things is for the meeting. Next things is preparations for meeting, responsibilities of the chairman of meeting. So as you know, you are the chairman of the company and you see responsibility on your shoulder for the whole company. So be serious about that and responsibility of participants. So when some people and some companies participants in your business, so you have a responsibility for them. So many kind of responsibility of the participants, chairman, manager, workers. So divided some kinds of responsibility for your behavior also importance, and other things is meeting, types of meeting and the disadvantage of meetings and responsibilities for the meeting. And I think so communications, we are learning and listening about the communications, and I will explain about the what is communications, what is business, and what is generation gap, what is communications importance we will learn in the next period.